Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host, Eben. If you guys are new to synthetic oil protection, what we do is we show how to exponentially protect vehicles' engines, transmissions, and differentials 2 to 4 times better than OEM fluids. So if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. You can tap the little red icon in the corner, or just hit the little subscribe button right here, and then you go ahead and tap the notification bell. And that way you'll get new notifications when my new video comes up. I'm sure you're wondering, what am I holding in my hand? This is Ceramic Pro, and today we're going to be showing and talking about what this stuff does for your vehicle. Head over to my car and we'll go over the products. Alright, so before we go over the products, I want to go over a little bit about my car. This is a 2004 Corvette, and it's the 24-hour Le Mans edition, which is a special color and metallic flake. And it has 101,000 miles. So it's got little scratches on it from my duster. You know, over the years you get little chips, so they're going to be paint correcting it and all that. And now I'm going to go over the products. First step is going to be to clay bar it, which basically it pulls all these contaminants off the clear coat. Then the second step is going to be to go ahead and cut it. What cutting is that's basically taking all these little spider scratches off the paint and some thicker scratches. And the third step is to polish it, so that's a much finer polish, and that's going to restore the paint back to really, really clean. So step 4 is to go ahead and clean up any little extra residues and stuff like that. Step 5 will be to lay down 9H. This is Ceramic Pro, and what this does is it basically puts a clear coat on the car that's 3 times harder than standard clear coat. So after this gets applied with 2 coatings, then they actually bake this onto the clear coat, and that actually takes a few hours, and then the car sits for about a week to 2 weeks, and it really hardens very strong. And you can drive it if you want to. I'm actually going to leave my car off the road for probably about a week and let it get super hard. Alright, so we're on step number 1 here. They're stripping and clay barring. Basically, they're pulling all these fine contaminants off the clear coat so they can get ready to start cutting. And this is the stripping procedure. Stripping everything really. So you might be wondering what's getting pulled off the paint right now at the clay bar. Take a look. All those little contaminants are coming off the paint in the clear coat. Alright, he got all done doing the clay bar. Now he's just drying her off so you can see what she looks like. So she's all getting all dried up. And now it's time to start cutting it and getting all those little scratches off. We're taping up all the rubber molding so it doesn't get dried out by the rubbing compound. What he's doing is he's cleaning his pad, so he's getting the old compound off, and he's going to get ready to start cutting. Just doing some final touches. Now he's putting the lubricant on for the pad. Now he's putting on, what's that called?
The last cut.
It's called last cut. There we go. Let the cutting begin. I'm fluffing the pad, but not that type of fluffing. Alright, we're doing our polishing session. So he just got done cutting the clear coat, so basically that takes the heavy scratches off. Now the next step is doing the polish. So basically the way it looks after this, that's pretty much the way it's going to look once they seal it. Alright, so we just got done doing the polish. Now he's going ahead and taking off a little bit of the residue from the polish, and that's just kind of cleaning it, cleansing it a little bit. All right, we're just getting ready to start putting on the 9H. He's getting ready to prep the pad, and we're gonna lock in this beautiful, beautiful sensuous color. He's gonna go ahead and apply the 9H to the applicator pad. Beautiful. So after applying it, now he's going to wipe it. Said when you're doing it, you want to make sure you hit the high spots early. Make sure you don't get any high spots. Hot out, it cures very fast, and when it's cooler out like today, it takes longer. So high spots and they won't cure as fast. The cure, they actually put baking lights on it. It's a UV light that we'll show later, and that really helps cure the coating. Ah, the quest for the perfect paint job. I said paint job. Yeah, paint job. Right. Oh, he's just checking his work, taking a look with the light. UV heat lamps are on, and now it's going to bake for about a half hour and then cool down for a half hour. After that, then the next coat can go on. So 2 coats total.
You might want to delete that video.
We got some action shots.
How's it going?
All right, he's just getting ready to tap her from a different angle. 20
minutes.
Another 20 minutes at this angle. Off our pinstripe. And what that is that separates the coated side. This has been cut. It's been polished. It's now has the 9H Ceramic Pro on it. This car has 100,000 miles on it. So you're seeing a car, this all has all the scratches on it, normal scratches from all the years. See all the little spider scratches and stuff like that. There's all your scratches. And there's that side. All right. The left side is uncorrected, untouched, and the right side is finished. We're getting ready to demonstrate the hydrophobic properties of 9H. But before that, we're going to mix our mixtures. So we're going to start out with our green coloring. Take a look. Give her a little shake. Ah, there we are. And there she is. Give her a little shake. And there we are. We got our pink. You guys ready for some crazy tall pours? All right, guys, we're getting ready to demonstrate the hydrophobic property. We're way up here. We got these guys are going to pour some green on. Go for it. Go pour some green on. Go, go, go. So they're dousing her up, showing the properties. The green side is coated with Ceramic Pro, and the pink side is unprotected. Beautiful. It's like painting the Mona Lisa. So now he's going to spray it down with a little bit of water, and you're going to see how it beads up on the Ceramic Pro side. All right, guys, we're going to do a crazy tall pour. Let's do it.
Hey, you realize you got red?
Well, how did you make it clean? That's a money shot. Hello? Put it up in. For all you cotton candy eating guys, here we do it. There we go. Beautiful. We're going to try some dark water. really smooth. All right, so the car is completely finished. It cures in about 2 hours, but for it to get to its full shine and full hardness takes about 5 to 7 days. So I'm actually going to take it home and park it, not going to drive it at all, not even look at it, because I don't want to, you know, spoil the exuberance once it's completely flashed. But I want you guys to take a look around here. Take a look at her. All right, here's the hood. Here she is, the moment of truth. Beautiful. You guys got a good look at her. We will see you guys back in 7 days for the final hydrophobic show. We're gonna squirt her with some water, and we're gonna show the beautiful ability of the 9H and what makes it so great. We'll see you guys back in 5 days. Guys, we're back at Reflectionz after 6 days. The paint has cured, the coating, the 9H Ceramic Pro is cured, and Scott's setting up the foam wash, and we're getting ready to splooge all over the vehicle. And then I guess we're gonna demonstrate the wonderful hydrophobic effects of this coating. So it just basically, the water just melts right off like a waterfall. Just beautiful. In a moment, you guys are going to see the most beautiful water gliding action you'll ever see. Here we are. We're doing the splooge first. We're going ahead and look how beautiful. Look at that. Balls. Look at these cute little balls. Look at that. We're going to tap her with the foam cannon. Ah, there she is. Beautiful. Look at that. He's tapping the rear end. She's all nice and sudsy, all splooged on. Now that foam actually pulls the contaminants off the paint, and now when you put the water on it, it just drools right off. Just, look at that. Wait until you guys see when he blows it. He's gonna blow it with the leaf blower. It's time to give my car its first official blow job after the 9H Ceramic Pro. So you can see the wonderful hydrophobic properties of the 9H, the way the water just beads right off. Ah, look at that. moment oh blow. Go ahead. Alright, we're doing our final application of a ceramic bead coat. Scott's going to be the administrator. Guys, we got her all cleaned up, we wiped her down, and now our good man Scott is going to demonstrate how to dry a car with water. Alright, let's do it. All right, I'm really impressed with the job they did. Basically what it all boils down to when you get a ceramic coating, basically they correct your paint, they cut it, they polish it, and they basically get the paint to the best quality they can. If they have to use touch-up paint, they do that. Then after that, they go ahead and they do like a little primer that gets the paint ready for the 9H Ceramic Pro. Then they put the Ceramic Pro on, you let it cure for a week, and that's exactly what you get. And the clear coat now is about 2 to 4 times harder than clear coat from the factory. So it's much harder to scratch, protects it from dirt, bird droppings, sap, what else? Everything. Tar, all kinds of stuff. The elements of Mother Nature. So that's... Okay. All right, I also wanted to include the Google Maps link to Reflectionz is in the description below. If you guys want to check out this awesome place, you'll see the link right in the description. If you guys love the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Really helps me out with my YouTube channel. Also, we do a lot of other stuff with protection, not only the coatings on cars, but we also do motor oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid.
And it's my birthday.
And it's Scott's birthday, that's right. Scott was the master tech in this whole expedition to this beauty. And that pretty much sums it up. So there it is. You're looking at a 15, 16-year-old car. This is a 2004, and that's what the paint looks like with 100,000 miles. All right, we'll see you guys back next time on synthetic oil protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.